Hi guys, today we discuss about Blockchain Development Guide 2023. But before we start, like and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. The blockchain is accelerating the business operations to make them smarter. It is all set to transform numerous industries, including healthcare, supply chain, financial services, and many more. A research report by CB Insights says that big companies like Pfizer and Walmart have successfully built blockchain pilots in medicine tracking and food safety. Also, ICO based on the blockchain have gained a lot of traction, resulting in $2 billion plus funding in 2017. If you are an entrepreneur and looking to invest in the blockchain, you should understand the comprehensive blockchain development process. This guide is intended for entrepreneurs, product managers, founders, and innovators looking to have knowledge of the blockchain development process and how to integrate blockchain into the businesses. What is blockchain? The blockchain is a chain of time-stamped digital records, known as blocks, which are linked together cryptographically. Since every record that goes into the blockchain always stays there, it can be traced anytime, and nobody can tamper the blocks of information. The technology comes with the following benefits: decentralization, to remove the single points of failure from the system; transparency, by making it possible for every member of the network to access the data at the same time; trust, through mass consensus; security, through immutable records of transactions. Let us decode what all is needed to build a scalable and secure blockchain-based application. Number 1. Identify the problem and goal. Before we go deeper into the blockchain development process, firstly, it is essential to define a problem statement. At this step, you should know what all problems a proposed solution is expected to solve. Make sure investing time and efforts in blockchain would benefit your business capabilities or not. You can also migrate your current application to the blockchain network without building it from scratch. Identify a blockchain use case for your application and ensure if your idea requires blockchain or not. For example, if you are a food supplier and looking to build a blockchain-based supply chain application, you should understand the multiple use cases of the application and how it is going to benefit your business and the consumer. Once you have identified that your business requires a blockchain-based solution, the next step is to choose the right blockchain platform for your project. Number 2. Identify the suitable blockchain platform. You require a blockchain platform to build a decentralized application without having to create a blockchain from scratch. The blockchain platform you need depends on the consensus mechanism and the problems you are going to solve. Ethereum. Designed as a general programming platform, Ethereum is an open-source and public blockchain-based distributed computing platform, featuring the functionality of smart contracts. Ethereum uses a proof-of-work algorithm called Ethash, which requires more memory to make it difficult to mine using costly ASIC's specialized mining chips. Build your application on Ethereum if you want to develop a decentralized public application with smart contracts. Hyperledger Fabric. Hyperledger Fabric is open-source blockchain platform suitable for building the enterprise applications. It supports distributed ledger solutions on permissioned networks where all participants have known and authorized identities. Built on the modular architecture, Hyperledger Fabric has the potential to maximize the flexibility and resilience of blockchain applications. The pluggable architecture components include encryption or consensus. Number 3. Blockchain ideation. Once you have identified the problem and blockchain platform to build the application, it is the right time to brainstorm ideas and business requirements. In this step of the blockchain development process, you need to evaluate, formulate, and prioritize use cases for blockchain experimentation. Decide what components should be added as on-chain and off-chain business entities. Prepare a roadmap of the product. When are you going to release an alpha, beta, and ready-to-launch versions of the application? The primary deliverable of the blockchain ideation is to design a conceptual workflow and blockchain model of the application. Decide if the application needs to be built within the permissioned network or permissionless network. Number 4. Developing a proof of concept. A proof of concept is a way to demonstrate the practical potential of a blockchain project and it can either be a theoretical build-up or a prototype. To create a proof of concept for your project, you can go through the following stages to show the project's feasibility. The application is developed under different phases. First of all, the application developed that does not undergo formal testing is said to be in pre-alpha phase. Then the application jumps to the next stage, E, alpha, where the developers test the software using white box techniques and software might not contain all the features. After the alpha release of an application, it is prepared for the beta release. During beta phase, the software contains the complete feature set, but it might have unknown bugs. The developers provide a beta version to a specific group of people outside the organization to test the application's functionality. Now, it is the time to deploy the application to make it available to the end users. Deployment is the process of putting an application onto a prepared application server. Before an app goes live, it should be deployed on the test network to test its functionalities. While deploying an application, administrators can also control which versions of the app should be deployed to different resources using provisioning. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. In the end, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss any more videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon.